Welcome to Make Life Smart. Count the remotes on your coffee table right now. Go ahead. 3, 4, maybe 5. Every one of them exists because some manufacturer decided their device needed its own controller, and you ended up with the consequences. Today, we fix that permanently. 5 universal remotes so smart, so capable, and so well designed that every other remote in your home becomes redundant the day you pick one up. Number 1. One remote to rule them all, and the X2 means it with every feature it ships with. The SofaBaton X2 is the universal remote for the person who has genuinely tried to solve this problem before and been let down by products that promised everything and delivered a complicated setup experience and mediocre compatibility. The X2 is the answer that actually holds up. The touchscreen interface sits at the top of the remote, a color display that shows you contextual controls based on what you're currently operating. Watching the TV, it shows TV controls. Switch to the soundbar, the interface adapts. No hunting for the right button on a sea of identical rubber keys. The compatibility is the headline. The X2 controls IR devices, Bluetooth devices, and smart home systems, including Alexa and Google Home. Everything in your living room responds to one remote regardless of what protocol it uses. Setup is guided through the app. Add your devices, configure your activities, and the X2 learns the sequence automatically. One button press for a watch TV powers everything on, switches the right inputs, sets the right volume level, and dims your smart lights, all from a single tap. The build quality matches the price point, weighted, premium feeling, and designed to survive the reality of couch life without developing the creak and rattle that budget universal remotes pick up within months. One remote, every device. Finally, the living room makes sense. Number 2. SwitchBot built a universal remote that controls your entire smart home, not just your entertainment system. The SwitchBot Universal Remote is the right tool for the home that has gone beyond just a TV and soundbar. The home with smart plugs, smart lights, motorized curtains, smart locks, and an entertainment system, all currently requiring separate apps and separate controls to manage. The remote consolidates all of it. IR devices, TV, AC, projector, respond to it directly. SwitchBot smart home devices connect through the ecosystem integration. And third-party smart home platforms, including Alexa and Google Home, link through the app, bringing everything else under the same roof. The touchscreen display is the interface, clean, intuitive, showing you exactly what you're controlling, with contextual buttons that change based on the selected device. No memorizing button functions, no unlabeled keys you stopped understanding 6 months after setup. Scene programming is where the SwitchBot remote earns its place in a smart home. Build a movie night scene. Lights dim, curtains close, TV on, soundbar set to the right input, AC adjusted, and trigger the whole sequence with one button, every time, without thinking about it. The build is solid and the battery life is strong. 2 details that matter more than any spec sheet feature in a device you pick up 30 times a day. Smart home, entertainment system, one remote, all of it finally together. Number 3. A remote that thinks. And the NEEO earned that description before any other remote in the category tried to claim it. NEEO was ahead of its time when it launched and remains one of the most thoughtfully designed universal remotes ever produced. The thinking remote positioning isn't marketing language. It describes a specific capability that NEEO built in that competitors were still catching up to years later. The NEEO hub scans your home automatically and identifies every controllable device it finds. No manual input of device codes, no browsing through compatibility databases. It sees your devices, learns them, and builds your remote configuration from what it discovers. The setup experience is the smoothest in the category because the remote does the work rather than asking you to. The remote itself is slim, premium, and deliberately minimal. A small touchscreen, a scroll wheel, and a handful of physical buttons that handle everything through a navigation model that feels like it was designed by people who actually thought about how humans use remotes rather than how engineers categorize device functions. Activity-based control is the operating model. You tell it what you want to do, not which device you want to control. Watch a movie triggers the full sequence. Listen to music triggers its own. The remote understands intent rather than demanding you manage device states manually. It scans, it learns, it thinks. The remote that does the setup so you don't have to. Number 4. SofaBaton's most accessible universal remote. And accessible doesn't mean compromised. The SofaBaton U3 sits below the X2 in the SofaBaton lineup, but brings the same core philosophy to a slightly different user. The person who wants one remote to replace everything without the touchscreen interface and the associated learning curve. The U3 is a traditional form factor universal remote with SofaBaton's intelligent compatibility layer underneath, a physical button layout that covers every function you need across every device you own, with a programming system that works through the app to configure everything cleanly before you ever pick the remote up. IR and Bluetooth compatibility covers the vast majority of home entertainment devices: TV, soundbar, streaming box, Blu-ray, projector, cable box, with a device database that handles most setups without manual code entry. The macro and activity programming works the same way as the X2, one-button sequences that trigger multi-device routines automatically. The difference is in the interface, physical buttons instead of a touchscreen, which for many users, particularly in households with older family members who find touchscreen remotes unintuitive, is exactly the right choice. Battery life is strong, the grip is comfortable for extended use, and the backlit keys make nighttime channel surfing something you can do without turning on a light. Physical buttons, smart programming, the universal remote for everyone in the household. Number 5. A true universal remote for a new age, and the RS90 defines what new age actually means in this category. The Haptique RS90 is the remote that arrives with a clear point of view that the universal remote category has been iterating on the same basic concept for too long, and that a genuinely new approach requires rethinking the interaction model from the ground up, rather than adding features to an existing template. The RS90's defining feature is haptic feedback. The remote responds physically to your inputs with precise, differentiated tactile responses that tell your hand what's happening without requiring your eyes to lead the screen. Different haptic patterns for different actions, confirmation feedback when a command registers, error feedback when something doesn't connect. Your hands understand what's happening before your eyes process it. The display is a high-resolution touchscreen that renders device interfaces with clarity and responsiveness that earlier touchscreen remotes couldn't approach, fast enough that the interaction feels immediate rather than delayed, which is the detail that makes or breaks touchscreen remote usability. Compatibility covers IR, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and Zigbee, a protocol range that handles not just entertainment systems but the full spectrum of modern smart home devices, including lighting, climate, security, and motorized systems. The RS90 is for the user who wants the most capable, most thoughtfully designed universal remote available and is willing to pay for the difference that genuine design thinking makes. Haptic feedback, full protocol coverage, the universal remote reimagined from scratch. Thanks for watching Make Life Smart. Subscribe and stay ahead.